Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today's signal is going to be on NZDUSD, and as always, with no more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what do we have. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, there is no need to see the news. The news are saying that the price is going to move to the upside a little bit for today and for the next day as well. But on my analysis, I actually understood that the price might actually have a really big move to the downside, and we can take a little bit of profit from that. And the overall points that this currency has gotten through this week was negative and is negative, so there is a great chance of falling in this currency. And as you can see, currently the sellers are much more stronger than the buyers side. And as we all know, news are not enough, so let's actually head to the chart and see what do we have there. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on NZDUSD on 1 hour time frame. I have pre-drawn two zones for you, two levels. The upper level is a really strong resistance level that actually helps us define our stop loss, and the lower level, this green level, shows us that the price has been pushed to the upside from this level, so this shows that this is a strong support. And these two other strong supports that are currently forming are gonna actually help us define our TPs. So with no more time to waste, as always, what I want from you guys is to sit back and enjoy the music so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, as always, as I've commented for you guys here, it is always up to you when to enter a trade. And I just wanted to end this video like this. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. I hope you are all successful. Have a good day and peace.